Hey YouTubies, back again here, King Mushromo. I'm going to show you how to make homemade bologna. Hot dogs, frankfurts, weens, whatever you want to call them. If it's fully cooked, it's a bologna. It's like a bologna. So what you do is you drop a couple of your favorite weens on the pan. Now you get a pan, and underneath I got some padding. Reach into your pocket, pull out so that it's stuck. Your mallet. Now you're gonna need. I'm not gonna use the barbed side. I'm just gonna use flat edge. Now the key to this is you want good, clean bologna. So they're a little hard to hit. They like to run. Oops. Maybe I could zoom in for a little action. See what I'm doing. So just take the ween in your hand like this, hold it, but don't hit your fingers. I know they might look the same, like mine, basically both pink things. So hit away from your fingers. May take a little bit. So once you got them like that, take them in your hand, give them a good squeeze. It already smells like bologna to me. So you got kind of like that, and then you got bologna. Capiche capuche. Grease up your pan and you bring your bologna over. Scoop your bologna on. My bologna kind of fell apart. Not gonna be too hard on myself about that. They don't always turn out the way you want. Turn that oven on, stovetop, and get your bologna's cooking. It may not look exactly like bologna, but you want homemade, right? You came here for homemade bologna. If you can find skinless dogs, hot dogs, frankfurts, weens, whatever you want, if they're skinless, it works even better, because notice the problem I'm running into is these skins are the skins are kind of keeping it from pasting together. Would be nothing without some good American cheese. Throw that on there. Now you'll find American cheese cooks a little funny. It's got a little bit of cooked, got a little browning. I think we're good. Get your bread out, flatten it a little bit. You can still hear it sizzling. Spread it out over your bread. Get your ketchup out. Bon appetit. Try to get that ketchup mixed a little bit. Oh, it's hot. Stick into my plate. Going in. Oh. It tastes like Tastes like classic bologna. I would give this a success. Oh, good stuff. Until next time, YouTubies.